In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Weverse verification code not received. First, double-check your contact details. Make sure your phone number or email address is entered correctly. If you are using a phone number, check the country code, remove extra spaces or symbols. If the contact info is wrong, the code simply won't reach you. If you are using email address, check spam or junk folder. Open your mail app. Check the spam or junk folder. Search for Weverse. Sometimes verification emails are filtered automatically, especially on first signups. If the code did not arrive, wait 2 to 3 minutes, tap resend code. Don't keep tapping repeatedly, this can cause temporary blocks. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure your signal is strong. Turn airplane mode on and off once. Then resend the code. If you are using SMS verification, make sure your phone is not blocking unknown numbers. Disable Do Not Disturb mode. Check if any SMS blocking apps are installed. Verification codes comes from automated numbers and can be blocked accidentally. Clear app cache. For iOS, launch settings, go to General, go to iPhone storage, find the app Weverse, click on Offload app and confirm it. On Android, press and hold on the app, tap App Info, go to Storage, tap Clear Cache. This refreshes the app without deleting your account. Next up, try a different verification method. Switch to email verification if email is not working. Try SMS instead. Sometimes one method works faster than the other. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, contact Weverse support. Explain that verification codes are not arriving, provide your email or phone number details. They can manually help resolve account-specific issues. That's it. These are some fixes for Weverse verification code not received. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.